So a lot of people don't know that you can charge your 2026 Kia EV6, EV9 and EV4 and upcoming EV5 at Tesla Superchargers. So today we are going to show you step by step how to do it so that you don't need to worry about when you get there. Let's go in. There are two ways that you can find a Tesla Supercharger around you. The easiest one is to just go to your Google, Apple Maps and just search Tesla Supercharger. As you can see, we already searched for it. You can just click the nearest one. It will show you how many slots or how many superchargers are available. Right now it's 9 out of 11 which are available right now, which will give you 250 kilowatt NACS charger, which is on the EV9 right now. So the second way is to use your inbuilt GPS for that. As you can see, we are on the home page right now, and you just need to click the charge section right here. When you click this, it will give you all the options, right? Any charger around you, be it a supercharger, flow, or any other option, you just have to filter it down to a Tesla Supercharger. For that, you press filter, go to uncheck all these, only 150 and above, and choose Tesla, and then press back. It's going to automatically find you the nearest supercharger. Once you press this, it's going to show you what is available right now. Okay, and then it's simple, you just press route. So the second thing that we need to make sure it's on is the battery conditioning. Okay, how to do that? You just need to go to EV on your home screen, go to the settings and activate battery conditioning. This will bring the temperature to the optimal fast charging performance level. Now we are ready, let's go. So we just need to make sure that we park on a slot or a spot that is available on the right side. As EV9s, we have our charging port on the right side, right? So to avoid blocking two Tesla Superchargers, we'll just park it on the right one. Once we reach on the right spot, we just need to go to our Tesla Supercharger app, which is the Tesla app itself. We need to make sure that we make a profile. So when you download the app from the App Store, you have to make a profile with Tesla. Then you need to press the index and make sure you add a payment method. So you go to charging, manage payments, and add a payment method. Okay, as you can see, I already have my card on it. Then you are going back to the main screen. Now as you can see, you have a charging, find a charger option. So you have to press it, add your vehicle details. So you will choose your Kia. So this one is a Kia EV9. Here is 2026, and the range is, we're just gonna do an estimate 400. Okay, this does have a NACS DC adapter or a port. This one comes with the charge port itself, so I'm just gonna say yes and save. When you do that, you'll see the Tesla Supercharger at Niagara Falls is available. Now we're just going to do charge here. Once you do that, we're going to choose the right port number, which is 1A, and we need to update billing profile. So once everything is set up, you'll see your payment method shows up here. Now we're just going to do start charging. Now the next step is to go outside and just plug it in. You have to wait for a minute before it starts because of the cold weather. Now let me show you what it does inside. As you can see, the charge is now on. So you can also see here that if you charge at 90%, it will give you around 400 kilometers range. It will take 31 minutes to charge it till 90%, and the range right now is 266, which is going up, right? Your current charge power is 52, around 52, 53, and it will go up as we move forward. In the Tesla app, you can see that it's showing you how much the charging rate is, how much fees are we collecting right now. Once you're done, you just have to press stop charging and it will click off. So now you can just take it out and go on the road. It will automatically charge your card how much your balance is, and that's it. And that's how you charge EV9 or any other Kia EV with a Tesla Supercharger. If you have any questions, you can leave comment and we'll be more than happy to help you.